Guys, the country I'm in right now has no army.
No army!
No army!
Yes, this is Grenada. It's an actual country in the beautiful Caribbean with its own land, government, and economy, but no army. Instead of grenades, in Grenada, they have cocoa. Here, they grow world-class chocolate that you will love. This is insane. Instead of army bases, they have beaches. This one is rated as one of the best in the world. And instead of aircrafts, they have super boats. And instead of the army, they just have police.
How you doing, guys?
Who keeps this place safe. Come to Grenada. It's so safe, they don't need an army. That's 1 minute!
See you tomorrow!